In this video, I'll show you how to sign up for Leonardo AI in 2026. First, open your browser and visit the official Leonardo AI website. Once the website loads, look for the Sign Up, Get Started, or similar account creation option. Click that option to begin creating your Leonardo AI account. Depending on the current sign-up process, you may be able to register using an email address or a supported third-party sign-in option. Choose the method you prefer and follow the instructions displayed on the screen. If you're using an email address, enter your information carefully and create your account credentials if required. You may also need to verify your email address. If Leonardo AI sends you a verification message, open your email inbox, find the message, and follow the verification instructions. After completing the verification process, return to Leonardo AI and sign in. Once you're logged in, you should arrive at the Leonardo AI dashboard. Before creating your first image, take a moment to explore the available tools and settings. You may see options for image generation, editing, upscaling, and other creative features. Keep in mind that Leonardo AI's sign-up process and available options can change as the platform is updated. If you encounter a different screen, simply follow the latest instructions provided by the official Leonardo AI website. Once your account is ready, you can start creating AI-generated images and exploring the platform. And that's how you can sign up for Leonardo AI in 2026.